how are you all? I hope you all are doing good and enjoying art and craft videos. I'm your art teacher Kiran Raje and I'm back with new art activity for you. Today we are going to make different type of painting. For this painting we require one drawing sheet, brush, few colors and fork. You can see I have two different size fork. So get ready with your stuff and start today's art. Fork and dip this fork in color. Use any color. Here I'm going to use yellow color and dip your fork in yellow color like this and take out. Now we have to print our fork like this. You can see a different type of painting is ready. It's beautiful and it's very easy to make. I hope you like this art and please keep learning and keep practicing your artwork whatever we are sending you. I hope you all are learning well. Okay, in next video I'll bring more creative learning for you. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day.